The 5 best free language learning apps for Android and iOS. Want to learn a new language without spending a dime? Whether you're planning a trip, boosting your resume, or just love picking up new skills, there's never been a better time to learn a language. And the best part? You can start today, for free, right from your phone. In this video, we're revealing the 5 best free language learning apps for Android and iOS. These aren't watered-down versions, they're full-featured apps that make learning engaging, flexible, and fun. Let's count them down from number 5 to number 1, and the top pick might just surprise you. 5. Memories. Starting off the list is Memories, a playful app that helps you memorize vocabulary fast but with a twist. Memrise uses spaced repetition, real-life video clips from native speakers, interactive quizzes and games. It's perfect for travelers who want to speak like locals, not textbooks. You'll pick up useful phrases, local slang, and real-world pronunciation. The free version gives you access to plenty of lessons across dozens of languages, and you can even create your own courses or study ones made by the community. If you're a visual learner, Memories makes vocab stick fast. 4. Busuu. At number 4 is Busuu, a language app that mixes AI-powered lessons with a community of native speakers. Busuu's strengths: structured, CEFR-aligned lessons, built-in grammar tips, writing and speaking practice with feedback from real people. You can study up to 12 languages and even earn digital certificates for your progress. The free version includes full access to one language, and you can unlock more features with a premium plan but even without paying. Busuu offers more structure than most free apps. If you prefer goal-driven, step-by-step learning, Busuu is a solid pick. 3. Drops. At number 3 is Drops, an app that focuses on visual learning and vocabulary building. Each session is just 5 minutes long, making it perfect for busy schedules. And the design? Absolutely gorgeous. Drops includes minimalist, swipe-based lessons, audio from native speakers, 40+ languages including rare ones like Icelandic, Maori, and Tagalog. The free version gives you one 5-minute session every 10 hours, great for bite-sized learning. It's addictive, smooth, and ideal if you're just starting a language or want to brush up quickly. If you love visual learning and short bursts of study, Drops will keep you coming back. 2. Duolingo. Taking the second spot is Duolingo, easily the most popular language app in the world. Why? Because it's fun, fast, and feels like a game. Duolingo features bite-sized lessons in over 40 languages, daily streaks, leaderboards, and XP rewards, listening, reading, writing, and speaking practice. It's perfect for beginners and casual learners who want to build a habit. And yes, everything is 100% free, though you can upgrade to Duolingo Plus to remove ads and unlock offline access. Whether you're learning Spanish, French, Japanese, or Swahili, Duolingo is where millions start their language journey. 1. LingQ. And taking the number 1 spot is Link, a lesser-known gem that's incredibly powerful for real-life language immersion. Here's what makes LingQ unique. You learn by reading and listening to real content, news, podcasts, books, and more. You build your own vocabulary database as you go. You can import any YouTube videos, articles, or audiobooks and turn it into a lesson. It supports over 40 languages, and while the free version limits some features, you can still access hours of content and track your progress without paying a cent. If your goal is fluency through comprehensible input and real-world language, LingQ is one of the best free tools available. So, which app should you try? Choose Memories for quick visual vocabulary learning. Try Busuu if you want structured lessons and real feedback. Go with Drops for fast, daily micro sessions. Use Duolingo for gamified, beginner-friendly lessons. And for immersive, content-based learning, LingQ is your secret weapon. Which language are you learning right now, and which app are you using? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you find your next favorite learning tool, don't forget to give it a like.